In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Substack post. If you're new to Substack or looking to enhance your content creation process, this guide will take you through each step with ease and clarity. Let's start by logging into your Substack publication dashboard. This is your starting point and you'll find it easily accessible from the Substack homepage after entering your login details. Once you're in, navigate to either the Home tab or the Posts tab. Both tabs will guide you toward the option to create a new post, so feel free to select whichever is most convenient for you. Now look for the New Post button, which opens up the Substack post editor. This editor is where the magic happens. Here is where you'll compose your content with a variety of formatting tools at your disposal. You can insert text, headers, and even images to make your post visually appealing. Additionally, you can organize information with lists or emphasize vital points with quotes. Remember that if you're creating content that involves video or podcast elements, these features are only available through the web version of Substack, so keep that in mind as you plan your content. Once you've crafted your post and you're pleased with the outcome, click Continue to proceed. This is where you'll get into the distribution and engagement settings for your post. First, you need to choose your audience. Will your post be for everyone? Only paid subscribers, free subscribers, or perhaps just the founding members of your Substack community? This choice can significantly impact how your message is shared and received, so think carefully about your audience. Next, consider the commenting options. Decide who can comment on your post. This could range from everyone who reads your post to more restricted options. You might want to add a free preview if your post is behind a paywall. This allows potential subscribers to glimpse your content. At this stage, don't forget to add relevant tags for easier categorization and searchability. Tags are an efficient way to ensure your post reaches the appropriate audience. When it comes to distribution, decide how you want your post to appear to your readers. You can send it out via email, make it available in the Substack app inbox, or do both for broad reach. If your post isn't time sensitive, you might choose to schedule it for a future date and time, allowing you a degree of flexibility in planning your content calendar. After you have reviewed all your settings and are satisfied with them, you're ready to share your creation with the world. Click Publish to make your post live on Substack. And that's it, you've successfully created a Substack post. Remember, practice makes perfect, and the more you explore the platform, the more you'll find ways to engage with your audience effectively. Thanks for joining in today, and happy posting.